Hi everyone, welcome back. My name's Kevin. On today's episode, we're gonna do some smoked chicken wings. Very simple recipe. We're gonna be laying these things on the Pit Boss grill. This only takes roughly an hour to hour and a half to get this thing from start to finish. Prep time is simple, smoke time is low, and you'll be eating a glorious lunch or dinner. What you're gonna need is a bowl. And this is where you're gonna put all your spices, and we're gonna flip them around, getting a nice coating over the wings. All right, so let's begin. We got our chicken wings here, just toss them in the bowl. Set that aside, we're only gonna do half these, because it's just for me. All right, so salt and pepper, that's what we're gonna need to start. I've got them mixed together. This is roughly, usually I do the 3-to-1 ratio pepper to salt, and that is what we're gonna go with here. We don't need a ton of it, but you're just gonna give a light dusting there, and you're gonna mix this all up, so don't worry about it if it goes in one spot. And then we got our Pit Boss Cajun spice blend here. We're gonna add that as well. Roughly a teaspoon, somewhere in there. And then we got paprika. All right, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna go about a tablespoon of paprika. Just kind of eyeball it. It's gonna cling to the wings just fine. There's gonna be some left over when you're done, and that's okay. But that's all we're gonna use for these wings. And now we're just gonna toss these to get them properly coated, and then we're gonna put them on the smoker. So we're gonna put them on the smoker at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly an hour. You can choose to crank that heat up a little bit at the end for the remaining time. Once your chicken has reached the internal temperature that is safe, you can crank the heat up and that'll crisp up the skin if you would like. Otherwise, just let it ride and just pull them when they get to that internal temp. All right, so now it's flip time. So you're just gonna simply coat these wings, give them a few tosses, and that's it. Now I've noticed that I need a little bit more paprika, so I'm just gonna simply do that. We're gonna flip them again. All right, my wings are coated. I'm happy with that. Now I'm gonna go lay them on the grill. In the meantime, after you've got those things laid on the grill, you can start working on your sauce. I would give it a little bit of time because the sauce doesn't take long at all. Roughly 10 minutes before you're gonna pull these chicken wings off, you can get going on your sauce. And it is made from a cherry whiskey here. And that's all it's made from. We're putting this on our gas stove into a pan, and we're gonna light it up, reduce it. It's not gonna be so much of a runny liquid once this is finished, but more of a thicker sauce.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the hood out the hood out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace.
While our wings were on the grill, I added a little bit of this white wine vinegar to one of my spritzers. If you don't have one of those, just simply put your thumb on and drizzle a little bit over, but be careful, you don't want your rub to run off. So apply this once that rub starts to set, and you'll be able to see that difference, and just give them a little moisture, cool them off a bit. So add that to it. You can use apple cider vinegar as well. I like the white wine. So now our wings are done, they're ready to go. We're just gonna top these things with our cherry whiskey sauce, and they will be good to be eaten. So this thing, we've took that liquid cherry whiskey and reduced it basically to a quarter, even less than what it was when we originally put it in the pan. And it's now a thick sauce. Just simply drizzle it over the entire thing, like so. And that, my friends, is done. Smoked chicken wings with a cherry reduction sauce. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a great day. That work? Getting smoother.
Hey, I was gonna say, you're getting it. Yeah, I was